Hello kids, let's learn about names of some domestic animals. Domestic animals are the animals that lives with humans and help them in many ways. They give us food, carry loads, guard our homes and keep us company. Cow. The cow gives us milk every day. It also helps in farming with dung and plowing. People respect cows in many cultures. Buffalo. Buffalo milk is very thick and healthy. Farmers also use them for plowing fields. They are strong and hard-working animals. Goat. Goats are easy to keep and feed. They give us milk and meat. Some people also keep them as pets. Sheep. Sheep give us soft wool for clothes. They also provide milk and meat. They usually live in groups called flocks. Pig. Pigs are raised for meat called pork. They are very intelligent animals. They like to play in mud to keep cool. Horse. Horses are fast and strong. People ride them, use them in sports and carry loads. They are loyal and beautiful animals. Donkey. Donkeys are calm and hardworking. They are used to carry heavy loads. In villages, they are very helpful for transportation. Camel. Camels are called the ships of the desert. They can live without water for many days. They give milk and help people travel in deserts. Yak. Yaks live in cold mountain areas. They give milk, wool and meat. People also use them to carry goods in snowy places. Hen. Hens gives eggs and meat. They are most common farm birds. They live in groups called flocks. Duck. Duck swims in ponds and rivers. They give us eggs and meat. Their feathers also keep them warm. Goose. Geese are large water birds. They provide eggs, meat and feathers. They are also good guards and make loud sounds. Turkey. Turkeys are farm birds. They give us meat and eggs. They are usually raised in big farms. Pigeon. Pigeons are gentle birds. Long ago they were used to carry messages. Some people keep them as pets. Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds. They can copy human voices. Many people keep them in cages as pets. Peacock. Peacocks are famous for their beautiful feathers. They are sometimes kept for decoration. Their dance look very pretty. Swan. Swans are big white birds. They live in lakes and ponds. People keep them for their beauty. Dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly pets. They guard our homes. Some are trained to help police and blind people. Cat. Cats are playful and soft pets. They catch mice and keep homes clean. They love to sleep a lot. Rabbit. Rabbits are cute and furry animals. People keep them as pets. They also give soft fur. Hamster. Hamsters are teeny pets. They like to run in wheels. Children love keeping in cages. Fish. Fish are colorful and live in water. People keep them in aquariums. Watching them is relaxing. Turtle. Turtles walk slowly and live long. People keep them in tanks. They have hard shells for protection. Ox. Oxen are strong animals. They pull carts and plows in fields. Farmers depend on them for work. Silkworm. Silkworms are small insects. They make silk threads from their cocoons. Farmers raise them for silk. Honeybee. Honeybees live in hives. They give us honey and wax. They also help plants grow by pollination. Dove. Doves are gentle white birds. They are a symbol of peace. People keep them in cages. Cockatiel. Cockatiels are small parrots. They whistle and sing. They are very friendly pets. Persian cat. Persian cats have long hair. They are calm and loving pets. People like them for their beauty. Canary dog. These are special dogs from Canary Islands. They are strong and loyal. They are kept as guard dogs.